welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Golden Jubilee of All Meghalaya Karbi Association celebrated in Ribhoi. Kevin Lingdo Sangryang wins gold at National Mountain Bike Championship. Nehu Students Union opposes Pro-Vice Chancellor appointments, meets Minister. And Hito protests illegal collection gate at Mauringkaneng, KJDC promises action. And now the news in detail. Nongpo MLA Meru Bons Aim inaugurated the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the All Meghalaya Karbi Association AMKA on 1st April at Purdua Village, Ribhoi district. Established 50 years ago to unite Karbi people across Meghalaya and Karbi Anglong, AMKA marked the milestone with grand festivities. During the opening ceremony, Ba Merubon hoisted the AMKA flag and launched a memorial book detailing the organization's history. The event saw the presence of AMKA President Robert John Ronghang, Secretary Bestokan Timung, Advisor H.S. Engleng, and other community leaders. The celebrations include dance and song competitions, traditional games, handicraft stalls, and entertainment for children and youth. Thousands of Karbi people from Ribhoi, Jainte Hills, Khasi Hills, and Karbi Anglong are expected to participate in the festivities, making it a significant cultural event.
Bat kejingdap sispak senem ke centenary jubilee bat kumta tertem. Bat habang ikan mau ya ke jubilee. Kadai kawai ni kipor kibangi ngin peni ya kata kejing sengamu naga benta jong gitu kibalalit no sedin jogi kejing sengamu naga benta jong gitu kibaladan ke benta ke bakrau ban pun urlong ya keno kekam nilaju sakhi kum kari India ka bai ke jongi niladep ban rakhe ya gejeng jait lenti ke banyo kusan senem kum gejela ke jongi gejela me kalia ngedang dep ban rakhe ya gejeng dap san pau senem ke Golden Jubilee jong gejela me kalia bat ha gejeng jait lenti jong kiseng ki paper ni julap ban ni jusem bagani ke di kapor ke bakmen kapor ke bagi celebrate bani kendu ban ken mau ya gani ke jingya lenti All Meghalaya Karbi Association ke bagi khot lengkot ke amka ke association kabalaya lengba shibun ki jing abang yo bania shongkai bat kinong yalam ki jong ke amka hagi por ki baladep ban yo sngau ban sngap ya gejeng yai lenti ke jong phi kamlong ke besuk kidan ki khap ki ba ya kendu ya gejeng ke penduk mensim ru ikinong yalam ba kumnon le kumnon penyan ya gane keseng tendai ke besuk kemen galong baginong yalam ki jong phi nadu ke ba mensua hadu ke ba mentaru hilong ki breu ke betrishtom Ibriu ki biya teli ki biya long kawai ban pentik kena bagane ka asosian kan ne na ka menta gijing mentoy na ka menta ban tesong ya ki perlok karbi ki bi ki jungi ki badan hapo jong ini ke jela ngimla ban kelet ya gijing no senyang jong wei ni ki orang ba jong ka thamri boy ba ke jela ke jungi mahe Dr. Didi Lapang ubade UMLA barim jong ni ke konsumsi ke jongi ubadan ke benta sibun ban ai mensim ban betin lenti ban yarap ya ginong yalam hagitu kisnem tadu ke sedem kat kendai spa nyo kusan mo kan arterik April ya ke belas seng da gawe ke kerteng untuk ke pon de adin kelawan ke kerteng yo ke amka
Kevin Lingdo Sangryang A 15-year-old cyclist from Maukarwat clinched 2 gold medals at the 21st National Mountain Bike Championship 2025 held in Morni Hills, Haryana from March 28 to 31st. He emerged victorious in both the cross-country time trial and cross-country Olympics categories. Meban Aiboklang Suyam secured a silver medal, while 12 other cyclists from Meghalaya showcased their skills despite not winning medals. The Meghalaya Cycling Association had sent a team of 14 young cyclists to compete in the national event. On April 1st, the association, led by President Ba Lening S. Bare, warmly welcomed the athletes back at the Interstate Bus Terminus ISBT Mayongrem Shillong, celebrating their achievements.
Yo Elakaya ka National 21st National Championship trong cycling. Kot juri ai play ka Maukarwat District Cycling Association ba kadai ka Maukarwat hi ba layalam yang lingba ka ne ka jeng kai sport trong cycling. Te tangke kini ai play ya kini atlet association basically. Dan ki atlet jeng kai ka we kadai ka XT ka cross country time trial but kawai ka XEO cross country Olympic kita te ngatrai ngam pat yo sedekre nomor ba terang dei ka kategori kabaret dari try kisna manuan ladang nang trash tom ada ladang adang nang kiu susu nang select try ngan oleh internasional nandu khalai snap te gong isu kwa ban nya kai si parang to ban nya let kai nya kai ndrei ya kundu ya ki profesional ba nya skill ai nang ta ki alam ti ngi banyak skill ki alam sya ki no competition nang ta la position thong ba ka jeng alam ki jong Maukarwat umat sekrang Will Bonson Gol Botson wait member jong ka MDC
Mut pidon interest kin man lekai kene ka cycling
ada interest pa man lekai
kanong na po Meghalaya bro khat ki ya lichimanta stage po Haryana
arngot ngamorway na ka youth category under 14 na ka sub junior under 16 tangway hi laingot na ka junior under 18 but arngot na ka under 33 but way na ka elite above 33
kentai kanong we
intay tangway ayo medal tanga but meban balik kai edge kita nadu songut dina penang songut na penang cuki yo tangway dina kategori jungi nang mangamal we
ini de yo gold medal silver
yo silver kawai silver pangale chitei ngapai je kiwai ki professional riders di top athlete kianya cycle di ba da ki khat lak di khat ar ne pala kantai ndrei tangai marwei ba mo nya cycle ba silang nadu la siapa ngala silvaro na kiwai kishno ro lada ki molat ki la kaya ka national championship di ai dai yo ki cycle ki ba.
The appointment of two pro-vice chancellors at Nehu's Shillong and Tura campuses has sparked controversy, with the Nehu Students' Union, Nehusu, refusing to accept or recognize them. On April 1st, Nehusu leaders led by Sandy Soton met with Minister of State Ampreen Lyngdoh to discuss the ongoing issues at the university. Vice-Chancellor Professor P.S. Shukla had urgently appointed the pro-vice chancellors, reportedly to ease student protests. However, Nehusu is questioning the legitimacy of their appointments, suggesting possible intervention from the UGC or the Ministry of Education. It remains unclear what steps Dr. Ampreen Lyngdoh will take regarding the matter, as Nehusu continues to demand clarity and transparency in the university's administration.
na stisha tura ila shimti kumi professor jonga nihu tura te nakaliang ka jungi ngimdan persa ngimdan ka tagajing persa yunuru handai kajing persa jungi ka di halol ka prosedur te kambo plai hi kajing tungi ila tung darum chimsnam daga prosedur ka bambiang te nakaliang ka jungi iru ila kentai ha tu gopo te mata balibat ngilingok ba ila shimti kay kini ka kam komprovisi ha ka ba i refer ka tu ka ju ka dia ka ba iyo tu shti macam usnam ho banai do ba te nakaliang ka jungi ngila thok shti shu sa ministry marma ha ka ba ngila ya question you ministry kumno ba la shutung i kam ko no prosedur ha ka ba ngili kendu i ba nakaliang jungi pensong yang ba na ministry kila ai ka direction re ngila ya ban ni ka ka shti na ni ka jingshai ha bi de bat ka jing yo ke direction juga ini ministry dari nak liang juga kim semlala ban produce ya kata ke shti nani kanunu ko kat keslang je nak liang ke jungi hi kata jing persak kam di ru ye nani tai professor natura ban chim ta provisi nani ke jing persak hi ke di hlor ke jing bambiang ke jing thung juga claim ko proper procedure claim ya nak isi claim kanunu ke jing recognize hadu naki stakeholders berokhat hi dia agabani kong hi nakaliang ka jungi ngilay thok kan ki stima maradam ru ngila ai shikini ki minister ki paper agaba ngila what appointment ru ya i sarakam ibari education minister agaba menta idong dong nong ba Delhi te nakaliang ka jungi ngila shuyo kren verbally hang toyo balalek badu ngila pha maradam i limba ka WhatsApp te kini kinjat si bansuan si de la po shlong insa kundu ni te nakaliang ka jungi ru insa rak ni maradam bat ngin pensong ka jingi bat kumjuru habi begini kabinet minister berfait dengan persang macam banwa kita appointment bat ngin semua gejing aja skul bat nihu memplai ke skul bat nihu mata kalanang tron kam tau BC te hakti report balalet ni iba don BC in charge te kalong ke bayat ke nanti meri mata le si ke jingthung jung new shukla banong banbu di provinsi le si yo penyat buun station nombak Delhi national nombak Delhi nani negeri wiki state te nakaliang jungi hi ngim num pedang ada myat ke prosedur kumba pilai hi adu mentaru kani ke komiti kam pancep la ai kata ke report ke jongki je nak kalian ke jongi ngin thok stibat ngin panjing saibet national ministry buat kumjur ngin rak kani ke isu syaulat buat kumjur isu siam kini singi banwan
tak ai bade ka ba fikwa nak kalian jadi minister
pilai hi kani ke isu bangilai kun kelayat ski san banai kalajinya ski san banai ganti hakaba padan ke ru ke jing shim initiative long ka jing pet tingin pat i gnu ka initiative nak state government ti nak kalian ke jungi ke jingwan kundu kini cabinet minister kalong ban biang ya kini ban pen i biang kini ke jing sham ke jing e ke jungi jigi stakeholder jing university jong nihu shakini ki cabinet minister hakaba kenra bat ken pensong show minister chief minister buat kumju ulat jong ni ke state ni ke jelas jungi kumbangilai pencairan mania ke
The Hnyautrep Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, led by Don Boktakhar, has raised concerns over an illegal revenue collection gate at Maurinkneng, which was reportedly handed over to private individuals by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC. On receiving complaints from the public and school children, HITO leaders met with KHADC President Tony Winston Lingdo, EM Trade, and Chamborlang Ranja, CEM, in charge of the Forest Department, to demand its removal. Following the meeting, Don Boktakhar informed the media that the CEM has assured them the construction of the gate will be halted immediately. The KHADC has decided that only council staff from the Forest Department will oversee the gate's operations.
Laong du lada jia bagi don ki staff ki ba don kiti lang tu ki de ban penistam pat jing shangi ngi lawan da kawai ka mat ki ba ni mut ban ong ba de ban pendu na ya ka tandar immediately te hendrai kai ka ba stunat ka mat sun poi swa bagi new kil adu menta ka sini kina ong ka nadu lai poi tere ka ba menen kar kila pun kot sunan ban nadu menta ka sini ken pet ka ni ka KHDC ling ba kan ka first check
Iso tu bakal pet jaga taka.
oh nomor kide ki private lisi ni nakalian jong kaseng hi ngin se syong perkat bat hawan ni la ong ye ka la IT ru ba nakalian jong kantus konsil kan le de ko betenge ye ki tengi di hajing start juga dus konsil nomor ki don ki an ki rule ki norms hapor ki tep standar ki ong no ye ki bat in budien bat kan sapoi ru kan ni ba hadu ba ni haban budien ba ni haban IFIR nomor ba ka jingle jong gitu ki breu ki belum pisang tu kede hadin ke jing ujor ni ki pat ba ni ki kena school lagi bawan kelas ni bat khamtam na gitu ki bawan bala beling ong gumta dang shen ki kena school ki ba police ni pilatip ki hang ni bobon ki ba nongkon na po thain bu pher khamtam na ki rural area na thain nongkon dong ki ket nga bo pli ar lai berni tang ban yo namar ba mla ban afot ya kata mla ban tiket ka gas ten rei kumi tu rahap seban siu khajna to kolong ka ba pengthang sisa but sekawai ru teng de kiket de kitu lentang ki bala bit simen ki ban snai siang ban sna pilar kumi kitu ru ki fine te teto ya ka bala dep mla le ban le issue andrengi smokemen pat ba ka forest nang ba ke HDC kala shimti hi usiam hi bahet tengin pek ngop bat nginum sengap hiru bat ngin yai budin bat ngin budin je kani hatu la da ka bapek ke HDC kala ne man ke lakam yo kidang don shoot yang kilang yong no department tengah kermen bat nga ajing ro usiam ba shim bud ye kani da ka ba penduk no ye kare je kani song brok ki conference le tang tuan.
On April 1st, Don Bosco Youth Center Lightncrash Shillong hosted a photography exhibition featuring works by students of its photography course. The exhibition aims to encourage young talents and help them refine their skills. All photographs on display were captured by the students in various locations, reflecting their unique experiences and perspectives. The event also sought to inspire children to appreciate photography and develop an interest in creating visually appealing and meaningful images. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.